All right, bada bing, bada boom. We are officially recording. And here is the forums post that made all this magic happen. We want to thank Georgi Demirev. We would like to thank him for the opportunity to build out this incredible workflow, this absolutely exciting workflow. All right, so here's what I'm thinking. All right, first of all, here's what I'm thinking, right? We're going to want to grab this jobby. So first things first, we got to save some data. I wonder if I have an existing table. This is the problem with these darn demos, is that I've always got a frickin' million tables. Don't know whether to repurpose or create fresh. Products, should I just name it for the demo? It's basically low performing products, or let's call it products performance. Right? You're gonna need a friggin' ID. Dude, this green screen sheet is a real pain in my rear. Darn it! I knew this was gonna be a problem. I frickin' knew it. Frickin' kidding me. Things that I do for the absolute love of the content game. Really quite astounding. Really quite embarrassing and absurd. Now I'm gonna have to recenter everything, rejigger everything. Why is this so far back? Green sheet, I need you up here. I need you up here and I need you working with me. Son of a gun. That actually looks pretty good. Actually looks pretty deep. Let's get rid of that little frickin' little corner there, right? Let me just, here I am yet again, fiddling around with this frickin' garbage. It's absolute garbage. All right, there we go. I still have it. I still have the corner there. See that? See that frickin' corner? How annoying is that? How infuriating is that little corner? I want to kick this corner in the face. All right, we're done. All right, enough fiddling. Enough fiddlers on the roof. All right, we're done. We're done with all that savagery. I'm getting hot. I'm getting hot. Let's fire up this darn mini split. Feel me? All right, back to business. We got to save the ID. We have to save. What else? I believe we only need that, but it's always good to have the title. Whenever you're troubleshooting, you always need a title. I think that's about it because everything else, it doesn't recognize that I created that ID field yet. It's fine. It's no big deal. So this is our update or create, also known as an upsert. And let's go ahead and save that. Test her out. Test that beach out. And let's come on and test her out. See if that links. All right, cool. So we have that, and then let's start to name these, right? Daily deals, low performing products. That is a mouthful. Sometimes it helps to name these. All right, and then the next one, we're going to save some line items. We're going to go ahead and save some line items. Similar deal, except we're going to need a lot more goodies. We are going to need a lot of data fields on these line items. I'll tell you that right now. I'm going to tell you that right now. What did I call it? Performance? Let's just do line items performance. All right, what are we going to need? Excuse me. We're going to need a line item ID. That is also going to be what we use in this upsert. I always forget to do that, but I'm just getting ahead of the game. We are going to need a created at. Now you can see how simple and convenient it is to, why don't I have a created at? Let's just grab that from the order. Let's drop a SKU in. We're not really going to use it, but when have you not wanted to have a SKU on hand? Tell me that. Crew, we're going to need a product ID because that is really what we're going to be keying off of. We're going to need a quantity. Okay. We are going to absolutely need a quantity. I'm getting cold. I'm getting cold, man. This AC is a powerhouse, right? Quantity. What else? What else are we going to need that I'm not thinking of? Who cares? Let's just save that. Let's just call this low performing email, low performing products. All right. Save products. Number two, save line items. What you got to do, right? You got to do it. You absolutely have to do it. Number three, did we test that? Did we even run a test? It was an absolute oversight on my side. And I want to apologize for the oversight. I would like to apologize to absolutely no one. That's not a good Irish accent. All right, so that's looking clean. It's looking clean to the bean. And then we can use our search here to just quickly and conveniently pull up everything related to this demo. All right, let's just, what are we calling this? Number three, do the deals, baby. Do the deals. Oh, DEAL. Deals, baby. All right, so I think this one needs to be on a schedule. And here's time. It's time to do a query. Oh, before we do that, let me show you a time travel. Let me demonstrate one of the most powerful features in the history of Shopify app development. And I say that without exaggeration. All right. We're going to, I don't have very many products, but it's going to show me an estimated number here. It's not estimated, that's a precise number. Okay, what are we talking about here? And let's pull these in. So let's run that time travel. And this is going to run on all our products. This is going to run on all our products. Okay. All right, that'll give us some data. And you know what? While we're at it, by the way, does it keep that save? I'd like to know. Asking for a friend. Oh, see how smooth that is? It kept my save in there. Save line items. Let's do this one too. This is going to make that much more interesting. All time, baby. 230 Rex. Oh, but I'll tell you what. Let me just think a little bit about my query. So what I want is, man, I hate Postgres so much. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. So what I want to do is left join line items performance on, wait, as L on L dot product ID equals as P dot ID. And then let's do L P dot ID, P dot title, L dot quantity. And I think a lot of those should be null. All right. Order by L dot quantity des. I wish I could command enter to run a query. That would be freaking sick. Okay, why do you have to be so problematic with the sorts? Obviously, if I'm sorting des, I want this bad boy to pop to the top. Postgres, what are you doing here? Oh, that was kind of dumb. That's dumb. But honestly, though, what I want per the customer's instructions is I actually want the items that have had no sales, where L dot quantity is null, question mark. I would literally kill. No, not literally. Don't take me down, algorithm. Chillax. Chillax. Everybody relax, algorithm gods. I would literally jump kick someone if I could command enter that query. All right, so here's our query that we're going to use in here. Now, you have to select a table, even though it's not actually going to use it, which is fine. We're going to jump right into advanced. Why? Because we're advanced. How else can you say it? We are advanced. We're on that other level. We're built we're built different. Time my son goes, he watches YouTube videos and stuff, and out of nowhere I'm built differently. Oh, that was so funny. All right, let's see. All right, there we go. So we've got our data. All right, now let's limit it because that's going to make it easier to test. Just limit to 2. Limit to dose. Let's lop. Let's loop over query. I always add a log because I'll explain it later. I've got no time to explain all of this business to you people. So here's where we're going to actually create the discount. Or, oh yeah, we could also just add it Probably want to add it to a collect. You probably just want to tag it. Simple as that. I love a tag. I friggin' love a tag. You know what I'm saying? I absolutely love a tag. Okay, I just do. Daily deal. Boom. And delete that. Let's run this. Let's run it. All right, and then you can just set up a distance. I was assuming that you want to have the, can I name this? Why is it so hard to, okay. Daily deal, low performing products. We're gonna give, we've got a real barn buster here, and we need a collection. We're gonna need a collection. So let's do daily deals. Daily friggin' deals. Automated product tag is equal to daily deal. Boom. Boom how? Boom how? How would it have two products? How would it have two products? That makes no sense. Minimum purchase can't be blank. All right, minimum purchase is $10. Minimum purchase is $10. All right, $10. Got a problem with that? Do you have a problem? Oh, okay, yes, okay, boom. Cool. Oh yeah, but we never ran our time travel over here because we wanted to run the query first to make sure we had all the fields because this is gonna take, let's see how long it takes. We're doing it live. That's the benefit of doing this live. We'll see exactly how long it takes. You can see how the sausage is made. That's what we're here for. That's what we're here for. And I'm here for it. I've never said that on the fly, as it were. I'm here for it, but I'm not opposed to the idea of saying it. Opposed. What are we doing? Oh, yeah. So now we got to wait for this dumb time travel. Meanwhile, we've got it. I think we're done. I think we're freaking done. All right. Now, I think he was also saying he wanted to untag it and stuff like that. Ooh, I got a DM. That looks juicy. That looks juicy. Got a DM. Somebody slid into the DMs. Oh, yeah. Past week 30 days. Okay. Easy. So, why is null? And L dot ID, no, L dot created at, see, there it is. There it is. Oh, now I have to go get Chat GPT to tell me how to do Postgres. I've already written this, but I've already written this code. Postgres SQL condition that date is greater than 30 days previous. What? ChatGPT couldn't parse my authentication token? How about you parse your face? Postgres SQL query created at date is greater than 30 days ago. Could use the with your table name. Oh yeah, okay, easy. Created at is greater than current date minus interval 30 days. There we go. Let's run it. What? What? Don't tell me you gotta do a don't tell me you gotta do a friggin' subquery. Oh, did I even group? I gotta do a group, all right? Oh no, because I'm doing a left join. Yeah, I have to group by p.id. Argument of and must be type boolean. Oh, your Kalen made it. Oh yeah, it's gotta be gotta be before the group. We knew this. We know this. Oh yeah, now we have to do all these stupid string ag functions. I think string ag needs another parameter. How do you write string ag function? I hate Postgres. Dude, what do you mean? Oh, numeric? Oh, because it's numeric. Let's see. How do you include a numeric field in a group by query? I think it's like unique or something like that. I need to know what the aggregate function is. Okay, min. We just do min. And then what was the problem? What was the issue here? What was the issue here? Can't remember. Oh yeah, this is the problem. So what if I change this to a having? The heck? As quantity. Oh yeah, so I want to need to put this here. Oh, and then let me move the quantity over here so it's easier to see. Oh yeah, and then I also want unique. How do you do string unique? It's distinct. Okay, I think it's distinct. Syntax error, add a new group by. Oh, wait, what? Oh, did that? Okay. Can I include it in the left join? Oh, duh. Oh, there you go. All right, so let me bump that up and make sure that it's doing what I want it to do. Why is there we go. All right, cool. All right, now I can add or do I do, okay, there we go. But we're gonna also need to know if the product is active. All right, we'll circle back. We'll circle back to that. All right, so let's update the query. Another kind of super annoying thing is this doesn't go multi-line unless you have a variable in here. I could just, yeah, anywho, do three of them babies. We're going to want to also remove min product ID as product ID. Okay, loop. Eddie, let us add the product Eddie. This product is very nice. It is very premium, and we are going to offer a very nice discount. Are you American journalist? What am I looking for? Oh yeah, the tag, daily deal. Now, I guess also we'd want to use a delay step. Let's say we did a delay. Devil's going to be in the details a little bit as far as how we remove the tags and how we make sure that they never show up again. So we'll work that out. This is a fantastic initial proof of concept. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This is truly impressive. Now let's see. Yeah, our line item thing finished running. No big deal. Chugged through literally hundreds and hundreds of records. Right? No big deal. Cool. So I guess now we'll transition into the demo phase for the normies for this guy. Wonder if I should include this here. Not sure. Entirely sure, but what the heck. All right, so we started with this request for a daily deals based on a low performing products request. And here's how we did it. We're doing it based on, dude, I am so slow right now. My whole brain is moving. I think it's because I'm still thinking about the edge case around removing the tags. And I'm like, the fact I didn't do that yet is bothering me. All right, circling back. So here's how we did it. Here is how we went ahead and did it. We've got two workflows that are going to save products and line items to the database, which we're going to use in a query in order to power the main workflow. So this is product created. We're setting some fields. Show you that data here momentarily. We're going to show you that data momentarily. Products. No, it's actually so much easier, I'm realizing, to go in here, go into the test, click there, boom, gets you right in. So that's the data we're saving. We've got the product ID, and then we're also saving the line items. We've done time travels on both of these. Maybe I'll just insert the part where I did the time travel from earlier in this video. Be cool to have that for reference. So we're saving the line items. And so now this is going to let us query on the quantity ordered. So we can grab the products that haven't had any orders, which would be the low performing products. So so these two workflows are setting up the data, and you can run a time travel on them to get things initialized. And then this is where we're running on a daily schedule, let's say, daily schedule. And we're going to grab the products. Here's the query. Here's the advanced query that we're using. Let's paste that in. And it's a little easier to see if I add some lines and whatnot here. So this is going back 60 days on line items, and it's saying, hey, give me all the products where the quantity is null. There's no orders in the last 60 days. So that's what this is grabbing. Then we'll loop over those products and just add a tag to the product. And then we have a discount that is for products, a product-based discount for specific collections. And the collection we're looking at is this daily deal collection, which is just defined based on this tag. So that's pretty straightforward. We still need to remove the tags on some kind of a schedule. Let's go back here. We could also add a sifting factor, right? We could also exclude tags from the initial query that grabs the correct products. That wouldn't be too hard. Where's the part oh yeah. And then we want to track it so it's not added again for the next X days. So we still have to do that part eventually. We'll see how that goes. Did we run a test yet? Let me just go here because it'll be easier. So here's a test run, looped over. Oh, we limited it to 3. We did a limit 3 just to make it a little simpler. Probably want to do is circle back when we do this and add like a last discounted timestamp on the product. And then we could exclude anything with a last discounted timestamp that's within a certain range. Yeah, so yeah, then we got to remove the product too. Might need a second workflow for that. Or potentially just a delay step to remove the product tag, 3 days, and then remove the tag. Delays are hard to test. That's one of the things that I struggle with a little bit there. But why not? You know what I'm saying? Why not? Why the heck not? Yeah, cool. So that's about it. I will post this to the automation demos section of the blog here. So you'll be able to download these workflows and whatnot. Feel free to go over there to do that. And thanks for tuning in. Thank you everyone for tuning in to this exciting podcast today. Thank you one and all for tuning in. This has been fantastic, and I appreciate everyone.